Has an Israeli ever given you one of these? Before you think, oh, that's so rude, hear me out. This is the equivalent of an American doing this. Now, to confuse you even more, this is how Israeli students actually raise their hands. I figured this out when I was a teacher, and I couldn't be more lost as to why every student kept telling me 1 minute. If you want to hail a cab or hitchhike, not recommended, you can use a similar gesture. The one symbol that I realized is universal is this, because no one wants to wait to pay. Something you should keep in mind is that waiters in Israel won't bring you the bill until you ask for it. Not like in America, where they give it to you as a silent way of saying, leave. Also, you'll need to put the tip on before you pay because there's no extra line on the bill to add it. So you'll tell the waiter the total amount or tell them the percentage you'd like to add as tip. If you like these insights, then you'll love Rosen School of Hebrews classes. Take a look at our upcoming courses.